So for this one, we just need to set up a system of equations and not necessarily solve it, which is good for us because as we can see, it's going to be kind of gnarly, have 4 equations. But so let's read the problem and see how we can construct a proper system of equations. So Marissa needs to hire at least 10 staff members for an upcoming project. The staff members will be made up of junior directors who will be paid this much per week and senior directors who will be paid this much per week. Her budget for paying, so the, her budget for for salaries of people is 9,700 max per week. We also know that she must hire at least 3 junior directors and at least 1 senior director. Which of the following system of equalities represents the conditions described? So we know we're told that X is the number of junior directors and Y is the number of senior directors. So let's first start with the very basic limitations here. We were told that she has to have at least 3 junior directors, right? So if X is the number of junior directors, X has to be larger than or equal to 3. It has to be at least 3. And Y has to be larger than or equal to 1, right? Because we were told that we need at least 1 senior director, which Y is the number of senior directors. So from that, let's just look at our answer choices. Just with that information, we can already cross out C and D, right? Because C and D have less than or equal to, which isn't what we're going for. We need A or B because we need at least 3 here and at least 1 senior. So next, we were told that her budget for paying the staff is no more than 9,700 per week. So how can we determine this? Well, we were told that it'll be 640 per week for junior directors. So that means we multiply 640 by X by the number of junior directors, and that'll give us the amount total paid to junior directors. Similarly, we need to multiply 880 times the Y times the number of senior directors, which will give us our total paid to senior directors, right? And then if you add those two numbers together, that will be your total, total money spent paying people that week. And that total can't be bigger than 9,700. So we have this expression right here. 640 times X, that's correct, right? 640 times number of junior plus 880 times number of senior. But here it's written as larger than or equal to. No. This can't be larger than our budget, right? We need this to be smaller than. We need this to be less than or equal to our budget. So the answer here is B.